guys, we're gonna be playing Pressure Washing Run. Wait. What's up guys, we're gonna be playing Pressure Washing Run. There's burning clean. See what's over here? Whoa, it's slowly going. It's hot. Steam time. And how can I get them? Wait, there's some. Oh, there's double water. Also, there is rainbow. But they're gonna make me watch advertisements. I want to watch them. Well, I can't get. How do you get them? But I'm not gonna watch the advertisement. Wait, I'm only in 2. I can get the water to clean. Let's use this one. I can't get any of them. I didn't get any of the water though. Then what? This was level 65.